Student, this is the last lecture about India size and location. From previous lecture, you had to study about location, size, latitude, longitude, and lot of things. Now we will discuss about India and their neighboring countries and their neighbors and their worlds also. First of all, we know about India and their neighboring countries. You know that India have a great position in South Asia, and it is also a central part of Eastern and Western Asia. It have also a good position in Indian Oceans also. Indian Oceans. You also know that no other country have a long coastal line on Indian Oceans as India has. And indeed, during opening of Suez Canal, do you know Suez Canal? Suez Canal is a part of Europe and Asia. After opening of Suez Canal in 1869, distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. This is very interesting fact, and it is it have a good relation with also Europe, India's and their neighbors. This is the last topic. India has the most influential country of South Asia. Do you know India have 29 states and nine nowadays nine territories in northwest. Look at this map. In northwest, India share the boundary of what? Pakistan. This is part of Pakistan along with Afghanistan. And in these area, this is China. This is northeastern part. This is Tibet. This area is called Tibet. And this area, it is Nepal. It is a neighboring country. This is Myanmar. This is Bangladesh. And this is Sri Lanka. And in this eastern part, this is Maldives. It is a neighboring country. And India have a good relation with their neighbors. All these countries are the part of Indian subcontinents. All these countries, we will discuss about Pakistan, Afghanistan. In eastern part, it is Maldives, that is Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Tibet, Bhutan, and all these are the neighboring countries, and India have a good relation with all these. India separated Pak Strait by what? Sri Lanka. It is called Pak Strait. It is a line. While Maldives of south of the Lakshadweeps, this is a part of Gulf of Mannar also. India has a strong geographical and historical links with neighboring before 1947. After provinces rules directly by the British officials who were appointed by the Viceroy, princely state were ruled by locals, hereditary and rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return of what? For local autonomy. But we will discuss about their neighboring countries and their link with the world also, contact with the world also. It is also it is also told in the ideas of these were told in Upanishad, Ramayans, and story of Panchatantra also. It means the roots have been contributed in the exchange of ideas and communities since ancient times. If we will talk about their relation with neighboring countries or the contact of the world, it is not a it is not a single part. ये कोई एक दिन का बात नहीं है. It is believed that the concept of these things were come from Ramayan, Mahabharat, Panchatantra, and Upanishad also. This is a epics, and the decimal systems also came from these part of the world. So that is the main end of these chapters. Right? I think you understand this chapter, and I'm going to send some questions with your from your WhatsApp groups. Okay. Good day. Bye.